What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you guys the Newport Bay Club Resort. This is where we will be staying for the next 2 days on our trip here to Disneyland Paris. Now, I do want to point this out. If you all do see me change clothes throughout the video, don't worry, this video was taken over a span of 2 different days because I could only film while we were here at the resort because we spent most of our time in the theme parks. But with that being said, let's head inside the resort and check this place out. So currently we are looking at the front entrance to Newport Bay Club. That is the port of cashier. That little tent over there to the left is actually where you get your luggage checked. You put your luggage through the little machine just like you would at the airport. They just want to check your luggage. Make sure you don't have anything before entering the resort. Over here to the right is your luggage drop off. So this is where we dropped our luggage off before the room was ready. Currently our room is not ready yet, so I'll take you guys on a little resort tour before doing the room tour at the end of the video. But this place reminds me a lot of Yacht and Beach Club at Walt Disney World. But enough of being outside, it is freezing. Let's head on inside. So now we are here in the main lobby. Downstairs is going to take you to the parks and Disney Village. Over here to the right is your concierge and your front desk. This is where you're going to check in, check out, make reservations for the parks or restaurants if you need to. And then over here to the left or in front of the checkout desk is the gift shop. So this is what it looked like during check-in this morning. It was absolute madness. Everyone is coming in to celebrate the 30th anniversary. So then if we head back over left of the check-in or the main lobby is the Compass Club. Now this is for the club level guests here at Newport Bay Club. Let's head into Bay Boutique, which is the gift shop here at Newport Bay Club, to see what kind of merchandise they have here. Obviously, when we first walk in, the first thing we see is the reusable Disneyland Paris bag. So you know we're going to have to grab a couple of these to bring them home. And it wouldn't be a Disney gift shop if there wasn't a ton of plushes literally everywhere, and they have a ton of Encanto merch as well. Let me know if you guys have seen the Encanto movie, and obviously it wouldn't be Disneyland Paris without a ton of Disneyland Paris merchandise from Ears and this Spirit jersey as well. I'm not a huge fan of Spirit jerseys, but I do kind of like this one. And then Disneyland Paris people are huge Stitch fans. I don't understand. And then obviously you can't go wrong with a ton of Ears. Obviously, you know, 30th anniversary merchandise in here, another Disneyland Paris iridescent Spirit jersey. And then they had a ton of different little kind of Disneyland Paris merchandise, from snow globes to cups. And this little trinket right here, if you open it up, it has a little Eiffel Tower in it, which is pretty cool. And then another Disneyland Paris hoodie, a Disneyland Paris shirt with Goofy and Donald on it. And then what I kind of found a little weird, they had an Americana Disneyland Paris section. And then obviously you have to end it off with the Marvel merchandise because Avengers Campus is opening this summer. Now let's head downstairs so I can show you all the 2 dining options here at Newport Bay Club. There is the Cape Cod restaurant, which is for breakfast. It's more of a buffet style. And then over, basically right across the way from Cape Cod, is the Yacht Club restaurant. Now both of these restaurants have amazing views of the outside. As you can see, there is indoor and outdoor seating for these restaurants, and then obviously you get an amazing view over here, and you can see that sunrise right now for breakfast, or even at dinner time have a beautiful sunset dinner. Now that we are outside, I wanted to show you all how quick it is to get to the parks and Disney Village. Ahead of us is the hot air balloon for Disney Village, similar to the one in Disney Springs. It is about a 5-minute walk to Disney Village and a 10-minute walk to the theme parks. Now, if you were to head to the right, that is where you're going to find the other Disneyland hotels, such as Sequoia Lodge, Hotel Cheyenne, Hotel Santa Fe, and Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel. And don't worry, we will be checking out the Art of Marvel Hotel on this trip. That is going to be a completely separate video, checking out the hotel, checking out the bar inside. Unfortunately, Marvel Hotel is a little out of our budget for this trip, but we're going to go check out the hotel and see what it's all about and check out the bar inside, which is going to be a lot of fun. Before we head back inside, I do want to give you all a little bit of information on the health regulations here in Disneyland Paris. Now, in order to get here to Disneyland Paris and stay here or go to the theme parks, you do need to get the French Health Pass. Now, this band is not the French Health Pass. This is just the little band that Disneyland it gives you in order to stay inside the resorts or go to the theme parks. In order to get a French Health Pass, you have to go to a local pharmacy. There is literally one 5 minutes away from this resort. All we did when we got there is we showed them our vaccine cards, and they transferred it into a French vaccine card, a French Health Pass. So now all we have to do in the mornings before we head to the theme parks is show our QR code in the main lobby, and they give us a different band. Now you do have to get a new band every single morning before heading to the theme parks. The French Health Pass only costed about 32 euros, so it's not that bad because then you get access to all of Disneyland, but just wanted to give you all that little health update for the health regulations here in Disneyland Paris because I knew that was a major question I was asked before going on this trip. But now let's head back inside to the resort because not only do we have to show off some more of the resort, it is also freezing cold in here, so I need to go warm up. We are now in the east wing of the resort, which is next to the Bay Boutique gift shop. Here in the east wing is where you can find the indoor pool here at Newport Bay Club. All you have to do is go down to the first floor, head to the left of the elevators, walk down the hall, and you will be at the pool. Now, I haven't stayed here at the Newport Bay Club before, but that was about 10 or 11 years ago, so many years ago. So it feels good to finally be back and be here at Disneyland Paris once again. Here at the indoor pool, they do have lockers for you to put your stuff away while enjoying the indoor pool here at the Newport Bay Club. Now, the indoor pool is the only pool currently open at Newport Bay Club, as it is too cold outside to swim in the one that is outdoors. They have this cool little boat feature inside of the indoor pool as well as a hot tub, and you get this really cool view of the outside. I will say this resort reminds me of a Disney cruise line. It really feels like I'm walking on one of the ships while I'm here, especially down the hallways to the rooms. They almost look identical to a cruise ship. Located just to the left of the main lobby is the Captain's Quarter Bar, which is the main bar here at Newport Bay Club. The bar is open from 1 p.m. until 1 a.m. Now, obviously, it is not 1 p.m. yet, so we can't go inside, so I want to give you guys a little sneak peek of the inside of the bar. If you all are enjoying today's video of Newport Bay Club here in Disneyland Paris, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel a lot. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can follow along on our journey here in Disneyland Paris. Now, one thing I didn't know that they had here at Newport Bay Club was a convention center. So if you head just past the Captain's Quarters bar and head down these hallways, you'll find your way into the convention center, which reminds me a lot of the convention centers at Walt Disney World. But I was very surprised to find that they had a convention center here in Disneyland Paris. Now, this convention center is massive with tons of rooms, and it does seem like they do have some conventions going on for Sephora, Flynn Health, and Shots 30th. And just like that, our room here at Newport Bay Club is ready. Let's go inside and check it out. Now, before we continue with the room tour, I want to show you guys this Magic Pass. Not only is this your room card to get into your room, but you can also put your dining plan on here to scan it while you're at the theme parks. Now, off to the right of the entrance to the hotel room is the bathroom. And then off to the left of the sink or in front of the sink, depending on how you are looking at it, there is tons of space for storage. There is also a crib, an ironing board, hangers, and a safe in case you want to put anything in it. Then down below there is tons of space for luggage, and then across the way from that we head back towards the sink. Obviously there's a giant mirror, and you know what we have to do when we see a giant mirror? We have to wave, everyone. What is up? And to the right of the sink they do have lotion, but look what's different about this lotion than one you can find in Disney World or Disneyland. The cap looks like Mickey Mouse. I mean, how cool is that, and how unique to Disneyland Paris? There is also a blow dryer here in case you forgot yours at home, extra towels, and then down below the sink, there is a ton of storage space. Now inside of the bathroom, here is the shower, which is a little weird. The glass for the shower only goes about halfway, and there is no shower curtain. A very European kind of style. There are two different shower heads here in the shower, and then off to the right of the shower heads is the body wash, which is on the wall. And then down below over here to the left are the shampoo and conditioner soaps with the little Mickey heads. I'm not sure why these are Mickey heads and the body wash is on the wall. Found that a little weird as well. Then just off to the right of the shower is kind of this little, I don't know what you call it, a little bench area that you can sit on, or I guess place some of your things on. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I guess if you wanted to put like your towels there or some of your luggage, if you needed that extra space, there's a trash can down below as well. And then behind the door over here is the toilet. Now, the cool thing about European toilets, now there are some here in America that do have this feature, but in Europe there is a like low flush feature as well as a high flush feature. Then as we walk out of the bathroom, there is another mirror here, and obviously, you know, it's mirrors, so we have to wave. This mirror is nice because you can check your fit before heading to the theme parks or Disney Village. Now, before I show the main area of the room here at Newport Bay Club, I want to show you guys this artwork that is all around the room that has some of the Fab 5 characters inside of these little portholes, and I thought that was a really cool touch to these rooms here. Once you walk into the main living area, off to the left is the entertainment center that has a TV and tons of drawers to store your stuff in. Now, one of the weird things is they don't have mini fridges here. We searched all over the room for the mini fridge, but these drawers right here are literally just for storage. They also give you 2 bottles of water, and these little things that look like drawers next to the TV are not drawers at all. As you can see, I'm trying to pull it. Nothing opens. It's literally just for decoration. So I just realized those things that I said were decoration are actually these little storage cabinets. And in this storage cabinet right here is a coffee or hot water machine. So you can use it for coffee or tea. And then as you can see up here to the right, you have your different types of teas, different types of coffee, and coffee mugs as well. And then in between the entertainment center and the desk is this little side chair. Now let's look at the beds here at Newport Bay Club. As you can see, there's a little hidden Mickey on the headboard. Very nautical theme here in the room. There is Pedro and Hannah relaxing on their bed after a long day at Walt Disney Studios Park. In between the 2 beds is a little nightstand. And then if we get a little closer to the headboard, you guys can see the hidden Mickey is kind of a little, like a ship wheel, like a wheel to the ship, whatever you want to call it. So really cool theming here in the rooms. And then once again, here's another look at the little portholes with the Fab 5 characters. And then across from the beds is this little desk area with a pull-out chair, as you can see right here. Actually, that pull-out chair is pretty heavy. Off to the right, there are more storage drawers. And then underneath the mirror right here are tons of outlets to plug in your devices. But I will say, remember to bring those outlet adapters when you're visiting Europe. I'm about to show you the view from the room, but I wanted to show you guys our nautical themed curtains, as well as you have anchors and compasses all along the side of it. And then here is the view from our room, as we have a view of the lake and basically the rest of the hotel. We have a great view of the pond or lake. I'm not really sure the difference between a pond or lake, and honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better view here at Newport Bay Club. Well, everyone, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed your look at Newport Bay Club here in Disneyland Paris. This is an amazing resort, and I highly recommend you all stay here when coming to Disneyland Paris. If you all have not done so already, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and make sure to ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Once again, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.